This dance is called Stand Your Ground. It's by Linda Burgess and myself. There are 2 tags and 1 restart. I'm going to run over the whole routine with the words and the count, and then I'm going to break it down section by section for you. Face the front, let's go through the whole first wall. Weights on your left foot, we're going to crosswalk, right, left, twinkle, quarter, turn, quarter, drag, step, drag with a hinge, step, drag, turning right, quarter, half, basic, back, half, basic, step with a sweep, cross, back, half with your spiral, turn, keep it low, step, pivot, 2 twinkles, right and left. Now to the left corner, step with a hitch and back lock, left, rock back with your right, recover to the front with a drag, basic half turn, step back, sweep a quarter, weave behind side cross and drag to the left, drag to the right, weave to the front, behind quarter, step, basic half, basic back, step the right forward with a drag into your pencil turn, back with a drag and swaying rock, recover left, back as you look and recover, step, pivot, turn to start again. Weights on your left foot, stepping forward, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8 and 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and There are 2 tags with this dance. They both fall on the front wall after wall 2 and after wall 4. Face the front with me. Let's run through them. At the end of wall 2 and 4, you'll be facing the front. Your tag is the base step of a rocking chair, 4 counts. However, we're going to step and we're going to drag the opposite foot in each time. 1, 2, 3, and sweep out on 4, ready to start again. There is 1 restart with this dance. It's on wall 5, count 26 or 26 and to be exact. Now you will be facing the back wall when it occurs. Now to the side, we do our drag and the drag. We're going to weave to the front, behind, quarter, turn, forward half turn with a basic back, and then you simply restart right foot, left foot. The section we're leaving out is the pencil turn and the sways at the very end. To finish this dance, you go right to the very last bit of the music. Now, almost like the restart, we do the 2 drags. We're going to weave to the front, and that's where we finish up. Behind, quarter, turn, step your right foot forward with a nice good drag to take you out. We're going to run through this dance section by section. We're going to do it with the words, then the count. Face the front with me. We may turn it back to the front, out of where the steps would fall, just so you can see and follow along nice and easily. So face the front, section 1. For the first section, we're going to step right foot across on 1. We're going to bring our left foot over for 2. We then twinkle on the spot, making a quarter turn to the right. Further quarter turn right, we step to the left. Now that step has a drag belonging to it. It's not a slow drag, you bring it in nice and sharp. To the right, we're going to step and drag it in, hinge turn over your left, and step and drag it in. To the right, quarter turn into a basic half. We step, go into a half turn, together, together. To come out, we go back with a basic half, back, half, together. Weight is on your left foot. Let's do it one more time with the count. Right foot leading, we step 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 and Now just coming back to those drags, you either want to make sure you drag it in nice and quick, ready for the next drag, or if you don't want to drag it in quick, you kind of leave the foot out. What we want to avoid is just halfway bringing it in to then coming back out again. Now that second drag, you can start to turn a little bit earlier just to help you out to bring it in. For section 2, we've got a bit of a turning section happening. We step on that right foot, sweep your left foot around. Now what we're going to do is a bit of a twinkly jazz box sort of motion. Cross the right foot over, step back with your right into a half turn left. Now here you want to make that as sharp as possible to get to that side wall. Step our right foot slightly forward on the ball of your foot, ready for your spiral, keeping your left foot low. We're turning left, and that's a full turn. As you come out, a little step forward, pivot, half turn. Weight's now on that left foot. 2 twinkles, right over left, cross, side, step, left over right, cross, side as you make an 1/8 of a turn into your left corner. Step the right foot forward as you raise your knee up into a back lock step, left, cross, left. Let's do all of that with the count. Facing our 3 o'clock direction, right foot leading, we step 1 with a jazz back, 2 and 3 is your spiral, 4 and twinkle, 5 and 6 and to the corner, 7, lock back, 8 and weights on your left foot. For section 3, you've just finished up with a hitch and a back lock step, weights on your left. We don't come out of this corner, we're just going to simply rock back for count 1. Recover your weight, an 1/8 of a turn to the left. Now don't overturn it. If anything, you want to slightly stay on that corner. A basic half turn going forward, step, half turn. Now using your left foot, making sure you step back before you sweep. Remember, if you start to turn early, you'll get into someone else's dance space. Sweeping your right around a 1/4 turn, we weave the right foot behind, side cross. Step to the left, we drag the right toe in. Step to the right, drag your left toe in. To finish this section, we're going to weave behind, side 1/4 to the front, behind, turn, 1/4. Let's do it one more time with the count. We are facing our 1:30. You've come out of that hitch in the last section, back, lock, step. Right foot's rocking back, 1. Recover with the drag, 2. Half basic, 3 and step back before you turn on 4 with the sweep, weave, 5 and 6, drag, 7 to the front, 8 and Last section of the dance, weights on your left foot. We do a basic half turn, basic back. We're using our right foot, which means we're turning right. We step forward, half together, and a basic back, left, right, left. Step the right foot forward as you drag your left foot in. Now don't take any weight onto your left foot. We step for 1. We make a half turn as you step back for 2. Now back on the right foot, we sway as you rock, recover your left, sway as you rock and look back. Then we finish the dance, you recover weight left and pivot, half turn. Face the front with me again. Let's do it with a count. Weights on your left, basic half, basic back. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and Now that little pencil turn section, I'm going to do it to the side view here. You step on the right, drag it in at the same time. You can start to turn a little earlier. That's 1. Back on 2. There's no weight change with those drags. Try it again. Face our 3 o'clock. Step forward with the drag. Step back with the drag. Right foot lead. Forward with the drag. Back with the drag into your rock. 2, 3. As you look over your shoulder. I hope you enjoy this dance. You can take this video back to the beginning to do it all again, or you can do it with the demo afterwards. Have some fun. This is called Stand Your Ground.